Air pollution and high altitudes make it hard to breathe in some countries. Ventilators can help, but they cost thousands of dollars. WDRB's Raina Katko introduces us to a JCPS student aiming to help people where oxygen is thin.
It's a suitcase that could someday save lives.
It'll kind of determine how much oxygen a person needs.
Inside is a low-cost, portable version of the ventilator.
These fans rotate at very high speeds, and they capture air.
Anirudh Srinivasan and some of his peers designed it to help people in harsh climates and rural areas.
Different things that they use, such as ventilators and just like oxygen tanks, tend to malfunction at very high elevations.
Srinivasan has spent years of his free time in a U of L lab creating this prototype.
We basically dissected a bunch of ventilators and kind of figured out how they work.
He's focused on people in India. That's where his family's from. So he says he feels passionate about helping people who still live there.
People just didn't have access to appropriate health care, and when they were given ventilators, they didn't work like 50% of the time.
Srinivasan says this unit would have a nearly perfect success rate of 94%. And his biggest contribution regulates the air quality.
I added these things called pressure transducers.
Without those, the machine's pressure would get too high.
The efficiency would just deteriorate.
This alternative ventilator is still in its prototype phase.
Data, I developed that equation. So that's a worked out example at 3.7 liters per minute.
While Srinivasan's sights are set on the University of California, San Diego this fall, he's not leaving this high school passion project in the dust.
So we actually just got a grant for doing more work on this project.
More research to someday bring this device to those in need.
I feel like if we give it to as many people that need it, it could be more beneficial to everyone else than the ventilator is potentially.
Reporting with photojournalist Chad Kentlener, Raina Katko, WDRB News.